last 2 packs. Give me something good. Give me someone good. Come on, 100k pack, baby, 100k pack. Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! Fucking Pele! Fucking Pele! Fucking go Pele!
Yes! Oh my god, we get Robin as well! I actually didn't think of him when I saw that. I saw that pop up. I did not think Robin. If I got either of them, we get De Bruyne again. I just said it! I just freaking said it! Lalas! I don't know who that is! Lalas! Right, he should have popped up! And an inform! De Bruyne! And a legend! Yes! Yes! Finally!
Yeah! Some more. We've reloaded some more. Come on, baby. Here we go. Stand back. No. One more. Oh. Oh, the referee! Oh, my voice! Hey, what? It's mad. It's mad. It's mad.
Just give me a...
Oh my god! Oh my, no! Where the fuck? Nah! Where the fuck did that get? Oh my god! I've just got a legend!
My god! Oh my fucking god! No! I swear on my life! Oh my fucking god! Oh my god! Oh my